Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Study with Us 340. So today we are gonna learn about how to make a result sheet and where we can apply the formulas. So let's begin. Today's result of ST Mary High School. This is the heading of our sheet. Then write down 123 High Street Lane, fictional city downtown. This is the code of the school and the location. This is the mark sheet of 2023 and 24, class 10th. Add the roll number and name of the students. Anthony Smith. Date of birth of the Anthony Smith is 6/8/2010. Now add the father name of the candidate. Christopher Smith. Mother's name is Amal Smith. So now we are gonna make a mark sheet. Mark sheet have subjects which are subjects total marks of theory and internal. Okay. Then make passing marks of theory and internal. Copy it and paste. Write down it. Now marks obtained, how much they are obtained marks in theory and internal, then is the total obtained. Okay, this is the criteria of the mark sheet, and then we are give them grades. So we have subject of taxation, international business, business economics, business in communication, and environmental studies. These are the subject, and we are gonna add some marks. They are the total marks of the subject. Passing marks of the subject is 25 out of 75, and the passing marks of the 100 is 35. You have to qualify when you get 35 scores in your result in your subject. So this is the obtained marks of the theory and internal. So now we calculate them later. Now total marks, passing marks, and total obtained. Okay. Now add the percentage of the numbers, academics, grades, and the rank. So this is the complete scenario of the sheet. So let's begin with the formula. Now do some editing of the sheet so it's look better than before. Increase the font size and bold it, and change the font color of the school name in the red. Align in the center, merge it and center and bold it. Also merge it and bold it. This is the grade 10th Give it borders on grades and roll number. This is the name and the date of birth of the student. Give them borders. Double click on the column. Add the borders on it. Pick the father name and the mother name and arrange in different columns. So now it's look better than before. Border it and bold it, the father name and the mother name. So now we have the subjects. You may merge the rows. Merge them. Select with the control with click. Then you may merge different content in the same time. Now make it wrap text, give them wrap text. Okay, so now arrange it in the unmerge the cells which are merged it before and remove the columns. It is the now remove the columns, add the columns of the subjects, give them a border, okay, bold border, and give them the okay. We will remove the extra borders after. Select the content which you want to bold it. Okay, erase the borders which you don't want to add. Let me do some arrangement of the sheet. Pick the pencil, draw the borders where you want to add the borders. Select it and keep it in center. Draw the borders on the grid lines. Pick it up and place in the left side and align in the left side. Okay, so now erase them where you want to erase the borders. After the setting of the sheet, you calculate the theory and internal marks with the help of some function, and if total obtained marks is greater than or equal to A, it will be if the total obtained marks is 75, so it will be A grade. Okay, if obtained marks is 65, it will be B, and if the obtained marks is 55, it will be C grade. So if it is 45, it will be D, and if it is 35, it will be E grade. If it is below the 30 or below the 35, it will be F. Okay, now close the parenthesis, and this is the grades of the total obtained marks. Now calculate the total marks of the summit. Select the range of the total marks. Now select the passing marks of the range, and now select the total obtained marks, which are the total obtained marks. This is the range, and now calculate the percentage. Percentage is equal to obtained marks and total marks multiply by 100, so it is the percentage. Now copy the formula of it. This is the academic, this is the academic grade. Okay, now calculate the rank. Formula of the rank is select the number which you want to rank them, and comma, select the range of it, comma, write down 0. So this is the rank of 34 is 4. Okay, the 34 is the rank 4. So this is the complete sheet. Now do some condition formatting and it will be done. So now select the columns or rows where you want to add some colors which makes it more effective and attracting towards the audience, so it looks better. Give it peach color. Now give the total marks, give it the light brown color. Now do some condition formatting. Okay, select the range where you want to apply the condition formatting. I want to apply in the theory. Go to the new rule and add the formula. You may add the condition formatting with the formula or the other options which you have in condition formatting group. So the question is where I want to apply the condition formatting. I want the theory marks which is less than the passing marks, so it will be red. So the formula is equal F12, make it fixed with the help of $sign. If F12 is less than of D12 have the theory marks, so it will be less than D12, and this is the formula. Make it style in a red, give them red style and click OK. So now you look on the table, it is theory marks of the passing marks of the theory is 25, so marks obtained is 24, and the passing marks of the 35, so it will be 34, so I gave it a red condition. So this is the internal marks. Apply the formula as like the previous one. Now input the formula. I have G12. Okay, G12 fix it with the help of dollar sign. Equal G12 is less than E12. Okay, because we have the internal passing marks of the E column and 12th row. Yes, so this is the formula, and I want to add the color on it, which is red also. So click on the done. So the 9 is the follower because the passing marks is 10. So now give the condition formatting on the total of 10 marks. Click on the condition formatting, go towards the new rules and go towards formulas. Add the formula and it equal dollar sign is H12 because we have the total mass in H12 is less than D12. At the bracket D12 plus E12. This is the change formula with the previous, and bracket close, make it the format style red, and it will be the condition formatted. So 34 is the less than passing marks. So now give it the condition formatting on also grades. Going to the formulas, write down the formula of the grade. Now I want to give the F, the failure one. So I have grades in I12. Okay, I12 is equal to F, so it will be red. Okay, give it a style and done it. So look, have look on sheet, it will be more attractive than before. So if you want to apply the condition formatting on a percentage or academic claims, you may add. This is the final result of the table. I hope you will learn something new in Excel. So this is the final result. Do practice it at your home. I hope you will like my video. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for newly updated videos. Thanks for watching. So this is the final result. If you have any queries, so you may ask in the comment box.